Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Food Tech Talks. In this video, we will be discussing most expected questions for Food Safety Officer Examination 2020. This is about me, myself Rushta Hussain. If you have any doubts or queries regarding our classes or channel, please do mail to us through the given mail ID.
First question. Which antibiotic is allowed for surface treatment of cheese? Options are A. Natamycin, B. Tetracycline, C. Rifampicin and D is all of the above. Answer is option A. Natamycin. Natamycin is the antibiotic used for surface treatment of cheese. Normally, Nisin, chlorotetracycline, oxatetracycline, these are the common antibiotics used in the food industry. Nisin is used for preventing growth of spore-forming bacteria in dairy products. Chlorotetracycline and oxytetracycline is used to prevent growth of bacteria in poultry and fish. Second question. India has been member of Codex Alimentarius Commission since. Option A 1969, B 1954, C 1966, D 1964. Answer is option D 1964. Codex Alimentarius Commission has established by Food and Agriculture Organization and WHO in 1963. It has 188 countries and one member organization. Member organization means European Union. Headquarters is at Rome and Codex Alimentarius means it is a Latin word meant by food code. Third question. In CAC, Codex Alimentarius Commission, there are dash regional coordinating members. Options are A 5, B 6, C 7 and D is 9. Answer is option B 6. Codex Alimentarius Commission consisting of 3 committees: Executive Committee, Regional Coordinating Committee and Secretariat of the Commission. In this Executive Committee, there is a chairperson, 3 vice chairperson and 7 regional representatives and 6 regional coordinators. Fourth question. The energy value of food can be expressed in terms of. Options are A. Kilojoule, B. Kilocalorie, C. Megajoule and D is all are correct. Answer is option A. Kilojoule. According to SI standard, unit of energy value of food is kilojoule. Fifth question. An adult human body synthesizes daily dash milligram of cholesterol. Options are A. 500, B 2000, C 2000 and D is 300. Answer is option C 2000. 2000 mg of cholesterol is synthesized by body daily. Sixth question. Dash are present in onions. Options are A. Fructosands, B. Pectins, C. Galactans, D. Cellulose. Answer is option D. Cellulose. Cellulose is present in the onions and we know pectin is normally found in the foods. Seventh question. Which of the microorganism cannot tolerate oxygen? Options are A. Clostridium botulinum, B. Staphylococcus aureus, C. E. coli and D. all of the above. Answer is option A. Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum cannot tolerate oxygen and normally found in the canned foods. It causes food intoxication, results in botulism disease. Eighth question. Organochlorine pesticide residue can be analyzed by. Options are A. Flame photometric detector, B. Electron capture detector, C. HPLC, D. TLC. Answer is option B. Electron capture detector. Normally, organochlorine pesticides are analyzed by using gas chromatography. In that, detector will be electron capture detector. Flame photometric detector is used for analyzing metal ions such as calcium, lithium, potassium, etc. And flame ionization detector is there, that is used for analysis of volatile compounds such as aroma, flavor compound, etc. Ninth question. Popular white colored seedless grapes. Options are A. Gulabi, B. Sharad seedless, C. Bangalore blue, D. Thompson seedless. Answer is option D. Thompson seedless. 10th question. National Seed Corporation was established in. Options are A. 1973, B. 1966, C. 1963 and D. 1977. Answer is option C. 1963. 11th question. IS 16021 2012 is for. Options are A. GMP, B. GHP, C. HACCP and D. ISO. Answer is option A. GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices. 12th question. At which pH fruits and vegetables are divided into acidic and non-acidic for thermal processing? Options are A. 4.5, B. 5.5, C. 3.5 and D. 6.5. Answer is option A. 4.5. Below 4.5 is called acidic food and above 4.5 is called non-acidic food. Normally for acidic food, immersion of the can in the boiling water or water bath canning we will do for sterilization or thermal processing, and for non-acidic food we will treat in 116 degrees Celsius to 121 degrees Celsius for 1 to 2 hours. That is called pressure canning.